That's it. What else do we need? Watch them fingers. That's it. Whoopsie daisy. Now just get half out. Is that about half, do you reckon? That's it. I think you could probably go a bit more. Yep. Now what have you got to do? Have a look. What's that say? Put some water in. Now come and have a look. What's next? Cross that one off. Where's your marker gone?
Up there.
Yep, cross them two off because you did them, didn't you? What's that say? It says cook. So we've got to let that cook so you can cross that one off. And now what have you got to do? Spray the fry pan. Yep, not too much. What's next? Cross that one off. What's this one? Yep, turn it all the way up. Good job. What have you got to do now? Have another look.
Mince. Yeah.
Yep, got to get your mince. There you go. I'll put in there for you.
Okay, Mum. Right there.
Yep.
Oh!
You alright? Oh, what's happened to that stove?
Oh.
Malfunctioning over here. Oh.
Okay, Mum.
Yeah.
Mum,
The oil's probably not quite hot enough yet. Just put a little sprinkle in. Yep, that'll be good. Yep. Which one's next, Ryan? Alright, it's all over there ready to go.
Wow.
Here, use another little spoon to help scoop it in. There you go. That's it. And mix that around so it melts. That's the way. That's it. Give that a mix. And then you need one of the soy sauce. No, oh, okay, yep. That'll work. Mix that. Good work. It's looking pretty good.
Oh my God, look at that, Mum.
Yeah, put it in the bowl quick.
Oh, hi, Mum.
Yeah, you're going to give Mum a little bit.
Oh my God.
Maybe you can cook dinner next time you go to Dad's house.
That's fun. I can take Jack.
Yeah, that would be fun. And you can take Jack. Yeah,
Well.
to Dapto. Yep, come back around here.
Where's more?
All right, do you want some more
Orange.
orange in the sky? Yeah, because the sun's going down.
Dark tomorrow.
Yeah, it'll be dark and then it'll be tomorrow and the sun will come back up. That's right.
That's not too bad last night.
Yeah.
Wait, Mum, was last night?
Last night what?
We're going tomorrow last night.
And the moon came up.
Yes, I just see him outside.
Oh.
I just saw it outside.
All right, you can put some mince on now.
Oh, wait.
Get some mince and put that in.
Right, is it Tuesday? You're going to do mince.
Yeah, some mince.
Well, you can Dad's house some mince.
Can you have mince at Dad's house?
Yeah.
Yeah, of course you can. Little bit for Mum.
Look at that, Mum. What?
What's going on?
What the? Oh my God.
All right.
That's right now.
Yeah, are you going to put some more mince on yours?
Yeah, Mum.
It's going better than I thought it would.
Oh my god.
Yeah.
Don't do that.
Is that enough?
Wait, wait.
I don't need any more. Mum's good. You going to put that more on yours?
Yeah.
Yeah? All right. Do you want some cheese on top?
No, socks.
No, it's got sauce in it.
Oh.
You can put some salt on it. Do you want some salt?
Wait, yeah. Right.
Get the salt.
Where is it? You got it.
It's over there.
Seriously.
You're just getting a fork, mate.
There. Where's what?
No, that's not a fork. Get a fork.
What for?
Yeah, fork. Get 2. 1 for Mum. That's it. That's all we need. No, that's 3.
Come on.
Well, are you going to get your food?
Oh, wait, we're getting those folks.
Oh, you put them on the table. Okay. At the table nicely there, Ryan. What are you doing? Another fork. Okay. What's going on?
Yeah.
Is there other people coming for dinner or what?
No.
What's going on here? You ready? You got Mum a drink too? Oh,
Yeah.
thank you.
Where's the twin cup?
Thank you, mate. It's so much Fanta.
Oh my god.
Goodness me.
Where's that red one, Mum?
I don't think I can drink that much Fanta.
Oh.
Got your 2 forks.
I'll go the other way.
Hmm?
Oh, that's dumb.
You decided you don't need 2?
Alright.
Alright, give it a taste.
How's the name? Mmm. Oh, good.
It's good, is it?
That's up.
Thumbs up? I reckon it's pretty good too. Good job, mate.